We have found so many products before they blew up that we've concluded something. Most e-commerce brands and dropshippers are finding products after it's too late. And they want to know, is there a system that I can use to find trending products before they go viral? And the answer is yes, because most e-commerce brands are making mistakes that are unknowingly costing them thousands of dollars. I mean, just imagine, you've spent weeks sourcing a product, building your landing page, designing email funnels, spending thousands on content creation, prepping your team, and now it's time to launch, but there's one huge problem. This product you selected, the one that had huge potential, is now dropping like a meteor. And those sales that once looked so high are now dead. Most e-commerce brands do fall into this trap because they're missing one important, crucial detail. They didn't have the right system to spot winning products. Today, I'm going to show you that system. If you use this system correctly, you'll be able to find products when they have very low search growth and therefore very little competition. Start marketing them and then watch them as they blow up and make millions of dollars. Money that could be going straight into your account. Now, this system is made up of a whole bunch of different product signals to watch, and I'm going to show you those signals right now. And I'm also going to show you how to monitor those signals yourself so you can find more trending products in the future. Now, these signals include search volume, search growth, monthly revenue, review sentiment, overall price, seasonality, and scientific backing. Now in this video, I'm going to give you some free trending products that you can start selling tomorrow, and I'm going to show you exactly how these signals identified these products. Now, how do we know? Why should you listen to us? Well, we're a team of trend experts and sophisticated algorithms that scrape the entire internet to find millions of searches, conversations, mentions to identify these products up to 12 months before they actually take off. We have dedicated all of our time to figuring this out so we can share it with you right now for free. I mean, hell, even ChatGPT agrees we're a great solution for this problem. So today, we're going to use Exploding Topics to track 3 products that are set to blow up so you can see how this system works in real time. No more preamble, let's dive right in. $92,000 every single month in revenue for a product that most people can't even pronounce. It's a skincare product that's quietly destroying retinol, and it's got insane search growth. And this is because it solves the biggest problem within anti-aging products, getting retinol results around your eyes without the irritation. So let's talk about Bakuchiol Eye Cream. This cream is not just riding this clean beauty wave, it's directly addressing the fact that traditional retinoids are too harsh for that delicate eye area. So this is specialized eye care featuring Bakuchiol, a plant-derived compound that mimics retinoid-like effects. And clinical research actually shows 0.5% Bakuchiol cream matched 0.5% retinol in improving photoaging, but caused significantly fewer side effects. It's formulated specifically for that thin and delicate eye area where retinol would usually cause itching, redness, irritation. And this market is massively underserved. So that's who you're selling to. Anybody who's trying to tackle fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness around the eyes without harsh retinol effects. I mean, just take a look at how many people out there have sensitive skin and need a product like this with no other solutions. You've also got the demographic of pregnant or nursing women who are looking for a product like this that doesn't have the same dangers and side effects associated with retinol. And of course, you've got the Gen Z crowd who are already looking for anti-aging solutions. Honestly, it feels like they're more motivated than us millennials. Essentially, it's this growing market with a super high demand for these natural, non-irritating skincare products. Now, let's take our system and break down all the signals that make this one a winner. So for search volume and search growth, the numbers don't lie. Almost 2,000 monthly searches might seem modest, but that 99x growth over the past 5 years shows that we're catching this one before that mainstream explosion. For monthly revenue, sellers are already raking in more than 92 grand every single month on this product on Amazon alone, with some brands already hitting 6 figures. I mean, do you have any product in your line right now that's consistently making you 6 figures per month? Now let's look at review sentiment, because this is something that really caught our attention here. 4.3 stars across almost 2,500 reviews shows a massive appeal for this product. I mean, eye creams are hard to get a good review score on. Yet, with this one, people are raving about getting visible results. You've also got this amazing optimal price point right around 20 bucks. That's accessible enough for repeat purchases, which you will definitely get, while maintaining solid margins. Not to mention, this one is also perfect for impulse purchases. Now, in terms of seasonality, while other products will spike and crash, this one is a year-round product, so you don't have to worry about any dips in your sales through any months of the year. Maybe a boost around Q4 as people gift this one. Now, as far as social media goes, this one is seeing buzz across multiple channels, with people going crazy for the before and after photos, which again is a reminder to use before and after photos as your main form of marketing for any product that you possibly can use it for. Definitely jot that one down for your content creator. And of course, scientific backing, super important, and also what sets this one apart. Clinical studies are showing retinol comparable efficacy without irritation. Plus, it's photostable, which means it's safe for daytime use. That kind of scientific credibility is perfect for you to use in your ad copy, your ad creative, and zooming out, the market for this one is hot. We're talking over $5 billion market value right now, expected to hit over $8 billion by 2031. It's important to note, Bakuchiol Eye Cream isn't successful just because it's trendy. It's successful because it's solving a painful problem for people. And that's the marker for a product that's not just going to succeed in the short term, but in the long term. So now that you've got everything you need to start selling this product, get out there and make some cash. Now here is a dental product for your dog that's got 900% search growth in the past 2 years alone. Dog Dental Powder. This one is already raking in over 150 grand every single month. It's basically a supplement that you sprinkle in your dog's food, and it's packed with enzymes and probiotics. It's designed to reduce plaque and tartar buildup, protect your dog's gums, and combat that deadly doggy breath, tackling a problem that affects 80 to 90% of dogs 3 years or older. The target demographic is pretty obvious. It's dog owners. More specifically, dog owners who really treat their pets like family, which should be everybody. And this is a demographic that takes science seriously, a demographic that knows that if you don't protect your dog's teeth, it can cause serious problems with their heart, their kidneys, their liver, and they're looking for easy, preventative solutions that don't involve wrestling down their dog with a toothbrush, which is not as easy as you might think. Now, here's why this product is a goldmine for you right now. It's a booming, emotionally charged industry where consumers spend like crazy. In 2022, Americans spent over $136 billion on their pets. So let's break down this product inside our system for finding winning products. For search volume, this one's getting around 3.6K searches per month. Small enough to not be mainstream, but big enough to indicate huge growth is ahead. That 4,900% search growth in the past 5 years indicates a strong and growing trend, not a flash in the pan. That means that if you start selling this one right now, it's very likely this one is going to continue to grow and continue to make more money, which takes us right into a monthly revenue. This one is raking in over 150 grand every single month on Amazon alone, proving this is a serious market with serious room for growth. And if you're wondering what people think, over 3,800 people reviewed this one, and it has a strong 4.2 out of 5 stars. That tells us this product is delivering and pet owners are happy about it. With an average price point around $23-25, it's a very affordable add-on for a pet owner's regular spending. If I were a pet owner, I were to see this product online in an ad, it would be a price point I wouldn't bat an eyelash at, I would just add to cart. Not to mention, if I like the brand I'm buying from, that's going to be repeat purchases. As far as seasonality goes, Pet Health does not have an off season. Your sales are guaranteed to stay consistent year-round. This one also has amazing visibility across social channels because there is no platform in the world that doesn't have people who care about pets. One kind of expert insight here is that you don't want to focus too much on the what, but more about the why. With this one, you can pinpoint that deep emotional driver, like the unconditional love of a pet. You're tapping into this fundamental human truth. So this is your sign to start selling this one tomorrow if you've got a wellness brand, a pet brand, or really just if this is a product that resonates with you. With a solid 8,200% search growth over the past 5 years, this product is not just a trend, it's a glimpse into the future of skincare. Let's talk about Exosome Serums. It's a leap forward in biotech, and that's where the smart money is heading. Basically, these serums use purified exosomes, often from stem cells or from plant sources, to deliver potent regenerative signals directly to your skin. As far as who you sell this one directly to, that's going to be this anti-aging enthusiast who's tried everything, and now they want cutting-edge, scientifically validated, proven results. Generally going to be women between 30 and 60 years old with a medium to high income who are interested in biohacking and longevity. Also, consider individuals who are recovering from dermatological procedures, things like microneedling or lasers, who are looking to supercharge that healing process. Also, the premium skincare seekers who are looking to make investments into long-term solutions. They're after these tangible, transformative solutions that are not just a cover-up. So let's dissect this one, and I'm going to show you exactly why it fits into our system for finding winning products. Just over 12,000 in monthly searches indicates pretty strong search intent. Audiences are consistently looking for this one every single month, and that interest is growing. How do I know? Primarily because of that 8,200% search growth, which is super significant. And if you're wondering if this one has peaked, if you're too late, you're not. It's got a crazy 200% search growth in the last 6 months alone. Sellers on Amazon are already raking in over 160 grand every month on this product. Plus, sentiment-wise, we've got a strong 4.4 out of 5 with almost 700 reviews, which tells me that people have tried this product, they've loved it, and they've come back for more. Now, this one does sit a little bit higher in terms of skincare products at around 76 to 80 bucks, but that's actually a bonus for you because it sits in its own luxury tier of skincare. And those people are actually easier to sell to. They're not penny nickel and diming their way to healthy skin. They're looking for something that's going to solve their problems that they can get consistently, and money is not a factor. Seasonality is minimal. That quest for healthy, youthful skin is a year-round pursuit, so you're not going to see huge spikes in your sales. Now, social media channels, particularly ones like TikTok and Instagram, where visual appeal is huge, are buzzing with transformation videos and people's testimonials. And of course, the cornerstone of this one is its scientific backing. In a microneedling study, the Exosome side saw 13.4% wrinkle reduction, 13.3% boost in elasticity, and 6.5% more hydration at 12 weeks. Those are numbers that you cannot ignore. Plus, reviews and expert feedback shows that collagen has gone through the roof with this one. It's regenerative medicine that you're using in your daily skincare routine. So what's the ultimate insight for a 7-figure winner like this? When you identify a premium product that's backed by science and can be marketed with visual before and after transformations, that's magic. Not to mention, you're going to be playing in a $73 billion industry. That's a lot of money to go around. So that means that you're increasing your sales with the confidence to know that you finally found a product that can really grow your business. So get out there and start selling this one today. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're looking for more products to sell, I'm going to drop you some links in the description that can give you a whole bunch more for free so you can launch a whole new line of products and start raking in the cash tomorrow. If you like this video, if you're interested in finding more trending products, please consider hitting subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and it lets me know that you are interested and you are here to find more products that can actually grow your business, not just a flash in the pan. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.